Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say I apologize for not being around and not posting videos as much as I usually do. I usually post once a week. I've lost my mojo and I can't sometimes figure out what to film or what I want to do. I'm trying very hard to get back into it and also trying to figure out what types of videos to film. So if you can, let me know what type of videos you would like to see from me, excuse me. Whether it be junk journal videos, ephemera, DIYs, like the one we're going to be doing today. Just please let me know what type of videos you would like. That would help me hopefully get out of my funk and get back into making videos. So let's go ahead and get into what this video is. So I am obviously in a different part of my apartment. I am in the kitchen and you can see obviously a coffee maker. So I finally got a coffee maker. I don't remember how much I said in the moving video. I don't think I said anything about that. But anyway, when we moved, we got rid of a lot of stuff. Well, not a lot of stuff. We got rid of our air fryer, the coffee maker, and a couple other appliances in our kitchen due to a small bug problem that we had, and we didn't want to bring that with us, so we just got rid of it all and got new stuff. So we got a new air fryer. I won't show you that right now because it's a bit of a mess, but anyway, that's not what this video is about. This is a video about coffee. So as I said, we got a new coffee maker. I just got it the other day, and so far I'm loving it. I'm going to be making a K-cup holder that I don't have one. I have this here. This is what I had my Keurig on in the old apartment. Unfortunately, it won't work here because it makes the coffee maker too high and it doesn't open underneath the cabinet. So you'd have to pull it way out in order to get it to open, which just takes up space. And we're not going to want to be pulling it in and out, so I'm just not going to use this. So I'm going to be making a new little coffee or K-cup holder. So I have these K-cups here that I need something to put them in. So I'm going to go back into my craft room and we'll get started. Okay, so I'm back in my craft room. We're going to be doing a Dollar Tree DIY today. I have 3 of the crates or trays that they have. I have 3 of those. I actually bought 4, but I only need 3 because these little slats here that I also got from Dollar Tree a while ago are not long enough to do 4. I would have liked to do 4, that way I could fit 24, 6 times 4, yeah, 424 K-cups in there, but I don't have long enough sticks for that. So I'm just going to be doing, I think 18 would be enough anyway. Most of the boxes of K-cups, you could only have 12, so I think we'll be okay with this. But I'm going to go ahead and paint all of this. I don't do the unfinished look, so I'm going to be using the burnt umber. Or at least I'm going to do a test spot on the bottom of one of them to see if that's what I want to do, but I'm going to water it down so it's going to be kind of like a stain. Those on the trays, and then I want to do the slats. I want to do the linen and folk art matte linen on these. And I think it'll kind of make it match the coffee maker a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and get started painting. Let me grab my paintbrush. I was supposed to be ready for this. I'm not. Okay, I'm all ready. Got my paint. I just mixed a little bit in this little jar. I use a stick to stir it, and I like the color of it, so I'm just going to go with that. I just wiped it off to see what it would look like. So I'm going to start painting these. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this. Wasn't thinking, probably not a good idea to put it in this jar. I'm just using a paper towel. Probably not the best idea, but that's okay. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish painting these off camera, and then I'll come back and paint the slats with you. I don't think you want to sit here and watch me paint 3 of these, so I'll just finish them up and then come back. Okay, so I got the 3 trays painted. So I'm going to go ahead and paint these. Like I said, I'm going to use the folk art matte linen color for those. And what I like to do is like wet my pieces of wood down a little bit just to help the paint spread a little more. I watered down the other one so it would look more like a stain, but I don't want this one to look like that. See, this one kind of has the same color as the coffee maker, so I thought it would tie in nicely. This one I had to sand down a bit on the side, but you can see it looks pretty rough, so make sure this goes on the back side. Let me just put a little bit of paint down here. And now the only problem is I have to wait for that to dry so I can do the other side. Yeah, I like this color. I believe the color of the coffee maker is called Stone, but I think this is a pretty good match. Okay, so I got my 2 slats painted. I went ahead and cut 6 of these little sticks, tongue depressor sticks. I'm going to glue them onto the inside here because I don't want that showing, and then I'll paint over it. Of course, you don't need that much glue because you don't want it seeping out. And it's seeping out anyway. Just put a little dot. And I'm just using Aleene's wood glue. You can use the Dollar Tree one if you want. I do have that. I think I should have probably went and got some Q-tips. Okay, got them all glued in. So I'm going to go ahead and just paint them. Because you'll still be able to see the sides a little bit on the end of the slat. So I'll have to paint both sides. Okay, so I painted one. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of them. And then I think I'm going to do like a little wash of this on the sides of the slats. Okay, so I'm waiting for one more to dry. For some reason it's being stubborn and it doesn't want to stick. So while I'm doing that, I'm going to go ahead and like try to put some lines of brown along the edges to kind of give it a age look and to tie in to the brown more. Yeah, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. This is going to be the back side because this is the side that was a little rough I had to sand on. So this is going to go facing the wall. I don't want too much, so I think that's good. And that is way too much on the front. So I might have to go back over that with some of the paint because this is going to be showing. Yeah, watering it down definitely helps. Okay, so we got everything all painted. Everything is done. So all we have to do is glue it together. So I'm just going to put this one at the bottom, the very edge of the slat. And I'm not going to measure. I'm just going to eyeball it. And I can kind of see where the middle is. And then I'm going to go ahead and just put some glue down. Okay. And of course I put too much glue up here. This one's going to go in the middle. This is the first one I did, so it's a little darker. So I figured it would just look better in the middle. And we can see where we need to put this one. Okay, it's all put together. I just put some clamps on it while it dries. So I'm going to let it dry and then I'll go put it in the kitchen and show you what it looks like. Put the K-cups in there and everything, and I'll be back. Okay, it's all done. Just wanted to show you what it looked like before I put the K-cups in it. So let's go ahead and clear off the counter so I can find a place for it, and then we'll put the K-cups in. my K-cups in. I got my favorite one. If you live here in Texas, it's the Cafe Olay coffee and chicory blend. So good. I have some chai tea down there and some hot chocolate. So I hope you guys like this video. I hope you like my little DIY. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more DIYs. Hopefully I'll be able to get back into filming. I know I've said that before and I apologize, but I do have some big videos coming up. It's a surprise, so I won't say anything. I love you guys and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye guys.